and welcome back to my channel. My name's Jada, and in today's video I want to do like a first impressions of the Bareminerals matte powder foundation right here. It's basically summer because it's so hot where I live, high 90s. So I do have combination skin, so I am pretty oily, like on my T-zone. Everywhere else I'm pretty dry. A nice foundation that's not too cakey, not too full coverage, just for those days, especially right now that we're in quarantine. I'm not going to work, I'm not going out. I usually don't even get ready, because what for, right? Like there's no reason for me to get ready besides to put a full face on to just be on my couch watching Netflix. So anyways, the shade that I got is light 08. So hopefully this matches me. So I got this Pond's light moisturizer right here. I seriously forgot how good Pond's is. Like if you're Hispanic, you know your mom probably was using Pond's since you were like born. So it's this one right here. It's light because I don't want something that's too heavy and it's just gonna make me even more oily. But I do like to apply this to like my dry area. So I'm just gonna grab a little bit. I don't know, this smells like Mexico to me, like what all my tias use, you know. And for my lips, they've been just getting super dried, so I've been using the Vaseline Blue Seal for baby. And let me put some Vaseline on these nasty dry lips, so that way when I'm done doing my makeup, I'll just put some lipstick and they won't look too crusty. All right guys, so I did do my eyes already and my eyebrows before. Don't mind my eyebrows, they're super bad just because obviously, you know, I haven't been to my threading lady in like forever. So I've been trying to like do them on my own. I did put my Chicana lashes on in the style Chula. And I've been doing my own nails. I'm probably gonna do like my Amazon favorite haul maybe next week, because I want to show you guys exactly what manicure set that I got and which gel manicure nail polishes I got as well. So stay tuned for that. And let me put some product in here. So I guess you don't need a lot of product, but I don't know, we'll see. This is how much I'm getting out. Grab like a flat brush. This is from Flower Beauty. And I'm just gonna mix in there. This reminds me of the song like La batidora, mami, mueve la batidora. Just kidding. I'm going crazy. So let me get closer to the camera, that way you guys can see. But I feel like you really have to work it into your skin. Other than that, like, it's not that bad. So I'm doing like half of my face, that way you guys can see like how good the coverage is. It doesn't claim to be a full coverage, so just bear with me. I think this is like perfect. Like, it looks really nice. Look at that. Foundation to no foundation. Anyways, that's how much I put in there. So let me put this on the other side. So remember, just make it warm and keep mixing it in there. All right guys, so the foundation is really pretty. I kind of thought I wasn't gonna like it. I've never bought anything from Bareminerals before, so I was kind of skeptical at first. I was like, Bareminerals are probably not gonna be like full coverage or even medium coverage. I really thought it was just gonna be like a sheer light coverage, but man, like, I don't know if you guys can see it, it actually is really nice. Like, I obviously don't have to put concealer on because it's a powder foundation, but look, like, it actually covered my imperfections. I'm like, oh my god, I feel like I should start using this when I go back to work. All right guys, so I'm back. I put on a little bit of bronzer, a little bit of blush, and some highlight. And this foundation retails for $32 on Ulta's website. That's where I got it from. I feel like it's a little pricey because you don't even get an ounce. You get 0.21 product that you get. I think it's more like a medium coverage, but I'm not lying. Like, it's really pretty. Like, it covered all my blemishes. I don't know. I give this foundation a thumbs up. You can check this one out from Bareminerals, and it's the matte one. It's not the other one. I think there's another one, but this is a matte one. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't done so, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye!